That noise you hear right now is the trucks. I told you they weren't doing anything yet. You can see that. Madness. I'm going to come all the way down where you can... Did you see that? Truck flying in the air. How about that? Madness. Hold on, maybe we'll get a good shot straight on. Crazy. There we go. Pretty cool. Here comes this guy. So really very cool and loud and a bit scary. Here's some of the other trucks. I'm gonna do this straight on. Hopefully we don't get killed if he goes crazy. Crazy, don't you think? I'll upload that for you right now so you can enjoy it. It's awesome. Talk to you in a bit.